In today's video, I'm going to teach you tutorial how to create a basic website footer in Webflow. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable footer added to your page and styled to match your brand. First, open Webflow and load the project where you want the footer. Make sure you're in the designer, then choose the page you want to work on. Scroll to the bottom of the page so you can clearly see where the footer will sit. If you already have a section in place, great. If not, don't worry. We'll add a pre-built footer section in just a moment. Next, open the Add panel, which is the plus icon on the left toolbar. This is where you can insert elements like sections, text, and components. For speed and consistency, we're going to use a pre-designed layout rather than building from scratch. Inside the Add panel, click on the Layouts tab. Layouts provide ready-made sections that follow solid structure and spacing, which helps you maintain a professional look across your site. You'll see categories like headers, features, and more. In the search field within Layouts, type Footer. This will filter down to a set of footer templates. Pick one that matches the complexity you need, maybe a simple single-column design for minimal sites, or a multi-column layout if you want navigation, contact details, and social links. You can always simplify or expand it later. Select your chosen footer layout and add it to the page. It will appear as a grouped section near where your cursor was. If needed, drag it to the very bottom of your page structure so it's clearly the last section. Now customize it. Double-click any text to edit your brand name, a short description, and the current year. For links like terms and privacy, select each one and use the settings panel to point them to the correct pages or external URLs. If the layout includes social icons, update each icon's link to your real profiles and remove any you don't use. Open the Style panel to adjust spacing and colors. Set a background color for the footer, define text and link colors with good contrast, and tweak padding so the section feels balanced. Add a class name like Site Footer so you can reuse styles consistently. Switch to tablet and mobile breakpoints and make small adjustments. Stack columns into a single column if needed. Center align text and confirm that links are legible and easy to tap. When everything looks right, use Preview to check the flow, then return to the designer and save. That's your basic footer setup and styled in Webflow. Clean, consistent, and ready to reuse across your site.